The second point in this lesson, when we multiply each number of the data by constant k, but this k must be more than 0 and it must be a positive number. In this case, we don't have like addition. In addition, when we add number to the data, mean, median, mode change, but range and the standard deviation stay the same. Here, everything will change. Mean, median, mode, range, and standard deviation. How they change? I multiply each one of them by k. See here in this example, the same. Find the mean, median, mode, range, and the standard deviation of the data set obtained after multiplying each value by 2.5. After we find mean, median, mode, range, standard deviation, as you see here in front of your eyes, mean 3.5, mode 4, median 3.5, range 6, standard deviation 1.8. He say we multiply each number or each term in the data by 2.5. I don't need here to multiply the terms, each one of them by 2.5 and calculate again. Only direct, you go to the mean, mode, median, range, standard deviation and multiply each one of them by 2.5. The new mean will be 3.5 times 2.5, which is 8.75. The new mode 4 times 2.5, it will be 10. The median 3.5 times 2.5, it will be 8.75, and so on. Like this in multiplication, to find the new values, mean, median, mode, range, standard deviation, only your job to multiply them by 2.5. Here are the answers. This is example, solved example, but of course, boys, try to solve it by yourself. Here, how we compare data using histogram. Of course, this point we studied before. You have to take the two tables, Brittany's scores and Justin's scores, and make histogram for each data. After you get the two histograms, you are going to compare between them. This is the answer here. Also, this example about it, the same. We have two data. I want you to make histogram and compare. Of course, such questions we need a graphing calculator. It will make the work easier, but because it's not allowed, we don't care a lot about it. This is another example, but here we are going to use box and whiskers plot. We solve many examples about this. You take Steve's fish and Matthew's fish. You make box and whiskers plot for the first one and box and whiskers plot for the second one. Then you compare like this, you see. Of course, we are going to draw them. We know how to draw box and whiskers plot. You must find the 5 functional numbers, then you graph. After you get this, you can compare between them. Same example, and this is the answer of the example. This is guide practice also. All of them are solved. Like this, we finish our lesson.